Hello everybody, my name is Melvin. This is my first time doing a video. Actually, I wanted to do this for a long time already, but I was contemplating whether to do this or not. But since we're all locked down and anyway there's nothing we could do, so I guess I would like to share with you the things that I've purchased so far and the good buys and the not so good buys and all the mistakes that I've made. So let's start with Celine. Recently, I went to MBS and Celine just opened its doors at the Marina Bay Sands, and I was like totally excited. And because it is the first time, or maybe already 2 or 3 seasons that Eddie Shiman took over the house, and before that he was in Saint Laurent, and it was super. Whatever that he has done, like he makes guys look so cool with the skinny tight clothes and stuff like that. So I chanced upon the store, went in, and it was so cumbersome at the moment. You have to like write in your data, you have to key in all your personal details, your telephone before you could actually go into the store. So when I was inside the store, obviously the first thing that I went to was the shoe section, and because I'm a lover for shoes, basically. So there was this sneakers that in a long time ago, like maybe last year, I was at the Siam. It's Icon Siam. And they already had the Celine store there that they stock out the men's collection. And I saw this super plain sneakers that I've been dreaming of having it for the longest time ever. So when I was in the Singapore store, I immediately went to look for this pair of shoe, and they do have a similar style, but not in the plain version that I've seen in Siam Icon. So I've got to the sales staff, that the sales associate that looked after me or was servicing me. His name was Randy, and I was asking him whether he had the shoe in my size. Normally I wear a size 42, but this time round they have only left with the 41, and yeah, why not? So I tried. So putting on the shoe, there was like it was like kind of like love at the first sight, and some shoes when you try it, like, oh my god, this is the one that you're going to get. This is the one that you're going to get, definitely. So here it is. Ta-da! So I know that this is in the opposite direction, but I've no choice because this is my first time doing the video, and I will try and sort it out. If this thing works, maybe I'll try and sort it out, and then we'll do better videos in time to come. Okay, so it comes with the bag like this, and this is not really a true unboxing because I already worn it once. I could not resist it. Oops. Okay, so it comes in this beautiful box. Okay, so let me see. They have no style at the side because when they served me, they had like an extra cover that covers it. Okay, so let's take a look. So you have the receipt card that shows how much it is. And look at this beautiful dust bag. It has got I am not sure whether the camera picks it up, but it's got this beautiful water iridescent look to it. Yeah. So 2 pairs of shoes. 1 pair of shoes, and it comes with an extra shoelace. Extra shoelace that looks like this. And the care booklet, I think. I've not really opened this because I was too excited to take a look at what it is. Yeah, so basically it tells you the making and etc. Okay. Yep. Okay, let's take a look at the shoe. This is the shoe. I know it's crazy, it's just a plain canvas shoe. Take a look. It says, okay, let's start from this side. It says I still don't know if this is getting me anywhere. The collaboration with an artist called David Kramer. I think he is a musician from South Africa. I might be wrong because I googled and his name popped up. And at the back there's the Celine logo. This is fully lined in leather, and the interior is also fully lined in leather. It has got the beautiful gold print that says Celine, and it is a lace, but I find the quality of the lace not super good. It's in fact pretty ordinary. And in the center where the tongue is, it says Céline and the word blank. Okay, and inside, oh, this is made in Spain. Okay, the shoe is made in Spain and it's size 41. Okay, size 41. What attracted me to this shoe was how simple it looks. And when it's worn, it's pretty nice, I must say. And the thing is, I was also very attracted to this little detailing because the rest are all in circular, but then there's this oval shaped ones at the top. You know, so it kind of makes the shoe look quite funky. The front is quite wide, so when you wear it, it's not a sharp look. Okay, so maybe I should show you as a pair. So as a pair, it looks like this. It's beautiful and it's white, and the base is this slightly dirty because I've already worn it once. Yeah, but the problem I had with this shoe is while it is comfortable, when your feet gets into the shoe, it kind of like cut this part here, which is caused by the sewing of the leather here. I find this very typical of this supplier. I'm not sure whether they were all in the same supplier, but when Hidishiman was still at Saint Laurent, he had a version of shoe that was pretty similar to this classic style, which I have bought in the past, and this shoe is known as SL15, which is also a Saint Laurent shoe. The problem is when you wear here, this shoe I think is also made in Spain. I suppose they are all, no, this is made in Italy, but I don't know, perhaps it's the designer's aesthetics. So this shoe, when it's worn, I also have issues here. Sometimes it causes bleeding. Yeah, so maybe the shape of my feet is not really suitable for the shoe mold. I'm not too sure. Yeah, but this is really what is happening. Okay, so I would like to do a comparison between these two shoes. Although they are different styles, but really they are coming from the same design. When they were leading the house at that moment. Okay, so for this shoe, it's very light. This is a full leather shoe. This is canvas with leather lining. Okay, the price is, I think this is more expensive because these days shoes ain't that cheap at the moment. But this, I think I also got it at the sale, discount, and etc. So I think this one I paid about 400 Sing. This I paid about twice the price. So for this pair of shoe, the problem after a long wear, look, it has this indentation at this part here. So when you wear, right, the shoe actually sort of like sits inside it. It gets sucked inside it. And although it's a very nice retro style, it goes very well when you're wearing your Bermudas or when you're wearing your jeans. But when this part gets into your feet, right, it's pretty uncomfortable. Yeah, so for me, this shoe, I do not wear it super often because it's actually quite uncomfortable, I must say. But I love the style, so I'm just keeping it, and I wear it like rather occasionally. Yeah. Then another pair of white sneaker shoe I would like to share is this other shoe from Saturday, New York City. So it's also a very plain canvas-like shoe, but the shoelace is a bit different. It is finer and it has got this tubular shape design to it. What I love about this shoe is that it's plain white and then there's this grey trimming at the hem or at the bottom of the shoe. Sorry, I'm from a fashion background, so I'm very fond of using the word hem. So the problem with all this shoe is it's really not a rain shoe, as you know. So when it rains, and it will be a catastrophe, you know, your entire shoe will be gone. This has a little story. So I was in Melbourne and I wanted to buy something but could not really find anything that fancy me, or the price were like horrendous. So I stumbled upon this shoe in their men's departmental store. In Japan, and they were having a pretty good discount for this shoe. So I paid about 80 or 90 sing for this shoe. Yeah, it's quite nice when it's worn. It's really quite nice when it's worn, but it's not my favorite pair of shoe. It's really not my favorite pair of shoe.
Not my favorite pair of shoe. It's really not my favorite pair of shoe.
Yeah. So tell me what you like about these shoes. Whether you like the Céline ones, the Saint Laurent one, or the Saturday one. So these are the 3 shoes I would like to share with you for today, and hopefully you like this video. It's my first time doing it. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, but I hope you do understand what I'm saying. And if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and just hit the notification button, and I hope to grow my account basically, and to share with you my loves for shoe, all the bags that I have, and etc. My disclaimer is that like I've purchased all this thing over the years, so it's not like something that I've gotten on a daily basis, and yeah, it's a lot through my own personal savings or bonuses that I have, and I feel I work so hard, and therefore I want to buy something to pamper myself a little bit. Yeah. So if you have any question, please post below, and I try to answer all the questions. And yeah, because I would like to try and see whether this could be something interesting to share my knowledge, or to share the things that I've purchased with you guys, so that you don't make similar mistakes that I do, or so that you don't spend unnecessary money, which is quite horrendous. Yeah. Before I end, I'd like to say that like I really do truly love Prada. So there could be many Prada videos coming up. Hopefully you stay tuned to my channel. Okay, keep safe everybody, and see you. Bye.